Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I'm going to show you this gorgeous 1969 Ford Mustang California Special replica. Now, this car was a nut and bolt restoration with only test miles since it's been completed. It has a 331 cubic inch stroker engine, a Tremec 5-speed transmission, AFR cylinder heads, E303 camshaft, Cobra intake, fuel injection, ceramic coated headers, serpentine belt pulleys, 2.5-inch exhaust, chrome tips, Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes, upgraded power steering, new upgraded suspension. This car has it all. Every nut, every bolt of this car has been touched or replaced. What a gorgeous car. It's got a set of Hurst wheels on it. California Special. It's got the Cobra GT taillights in it and rear panel on it. Rear spoiler. I got the trunk open, that's why the little bit of a gap there. Let's take a look inside here. This is just such a nice car. The whole inside of the car is a rust-free Southern California car. Rear mounted battery. The pictures and videos of this car don't do the car any justice. This car is absolutely gorgeous front to back. Paint on this car is super slick, super straight. You can see how nice and straight, laser straight that body and paint is on this car. Like I say, Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors. It's got the flat black stripes down the hood with the hood scoop. It's got the flat black stripes down the bottom of the car, middle of the car there, as you can see, with the side scoops on it. Black vinyl top on this car. This is a very high quality built car. LED running lights, LED headlights. Check out underneath the hood. Highly detailed engine compartment, Cobra intake, Cobra valve covers, polished intake, serpentine belt pulleys, power steering, power brakes, vintage heat and air conditioning, MSD ignition, MSD plug wires, cold air intake, chrome strut bars. Every piece of this car is just a gorgeous, gorgeous automobile. In the inside, you'll see it has upgraded interior. Those seats are out of a newer Mustang, 2010, 11, something like that. They have all been upgraded. They look great in the car. They look just like the seats should have looked back in the day. They match the back seats in the... There's the back seats to match. One-piece headliner in this car. New sail panels. New package tray. New Kenwood speakers. This car is absolutely gorgeous. Say T5 transmission in it. Hurst shifter. LED clock. New carpet. New console. New sun visors. Everything on this car is just damn near perfect. I mean, this car is so nice. New door speakers, new door panels. What a beautiful little coupe this is. I think you'd be hard-pressed to find a nicer 1969 Ford Mustang coupe anywhere in the country. This car is absolutely splendid. Front to back, beautiful car. That black vinyl top just sets it off. I'll open the driver's side door here. I'll turn the key on so you can see the beautiful Dakota Digital dash that it has. Just like the other side, power seat, driver's seat, lumbar support. Door panels, door seals, everything's been replaced on this car. The seats are super comfortable. Underneath this car looks like brand new. It's got Bluetooth radio in it. It's got your speaker down there so you can use your hands-free devices. 46 miles on this car since completion. That's it, 46 miles. Man, what a gorgeous car. Wipers work, lights work. You see your turn signals front and left and right. I'll turn your headlights on. We'll take you around the car. Might be running out of gas, maybe. I think the gas gauge. No, it says it's got gas. Well, I'm guessing that gas gauge is not calibrated correctly because I think it's just run out of gas. But you can see how gorgeous this car is. Look at them taillights in this thing, all lit up. I drove this car a few days ago, and it runs and drives great before the bad weather came. Look at them headlights, look at them running lights. This car is an absolute beautiful automobile. If you're looking for a Mustang like this, please give us a call today, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, KinyonAuto.com, www.kinyonauto.com. That's K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade collector cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory daily. We have new cars coming in daily. Do not miss out on this Mustang. This thing is gorgeous. Absolute gorgeous car. Give me a call. Really appreciate you watching all of our videos. And I hope everyone has a great afternoon. And again, this car is about as good as they come. I'd love to show you imperfections in this car, but I really can't find any. I mean, this thing is absolutely slick from front to back. Have a great day, everybody. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube, Kenyon Classics, and never miss another great classic car that we offer. And have a great day.